Hey everyone, and welcome back to another in-depth video here on the channel. I'm really excited to dive into today's topic, which is something I get asked about a lot, especially by those of you interested in ethical hacking, penetration testing, and, crucially, maintaining your online privacy. Today, we're going to explore a truly fascinating and incredibly powerful tool that runs right here on Kali Linux TorNet. Now, if you're serious about your digital footprint, your security, and your anonymity, then stick around, because this tool is a game changer. So what exactly is TorNet? Well, most of you are probably familiar with Tor, the widely recognized anonymity network, often referred to as the onion router. It's fantastic for routing your internet traffic through a series of relays to obscure your origin. But what if you need more? What if you need to constantly change your public IP address automatically without manual intervention? That's where TorNet comes into play. At its core, TorNet is a robust and easy-to-use Python package that automates IP address changes using the Tor network. It's not just about hiding your IP once. It's about making your online identity a moving target. Think of it as having a highly skilled digital disguise artist working for you 24/7, constantly shifting your online appearance to make it exceedingly difficult for trackers, malicious actors, or even just curious onlookers to pinpoint your location or track your online activities over time. In the world of cybersecurity, especially for ethical practitioners, this level of dynamic obfuscation is absolutely invaluable. Now, you might be thinking, why do I need this? My VPN does the job. And yes, VPNs are great, but TorNet offers a unique layer of dynamic control. Let's really dive into the profound benefits of incorporating TorNet into your cybersecurity toolkit. First and foremost, we have enhanced privacy. In today's digital age, where every click, every search, and every website visit is meticulously recorded, maintaining privacy is paramount. By regularly and automatically changing your IP address, TorNet makes it exponentially harder for websites, advertisers, government agencies, and data brokers to monitor your online activity and build comprehensive profiles on you. It's like trying to follow someone who constantly changes vehicles and routes. Eventually, you just lose the trail. This provides a crucial shield against pervasive online surveillance. Moving on, let's talk about increased security. This isn't just about privacy. It's about proactive defense. Frequent IP changes can significantly help protect you from targeted attacks. If a malicious actor is trying to specifically track your online presence or launch a sustained attack against you, having your IP address constantly shifting makes it incredibly difficult for them to establish a stable point of attack. It disrupts their reconnaissance efforts and reduces your surface area of vulnerability. So if you found this detailed overview insightful and you're ready to add TorNet to your cybersecurity toolkit, please do me a huge favor, hit that like button. Share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts, ethical hackers, and anyone who could benefit from enhanced online privacy. And most importantly, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming installation guide and all our future ethical hacking and cybersecurity content. Your support really helps us create more valuable videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.